I will show you how to create a sync between Jira Cloud and ServiceNow and how to sync over the tempo worklogs using external scripts in Jira Cloud. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Jira Cloud instance and you want to create a new connection. How to do this? Very simple. Just go to the Exalate app on your instance, then go to Connections, and you want to initiate a connection. Then it's going to ask for the destination URL. You can find this on your ServiceNow Exalate node. So if you copy the URL here, you paste it in the field here, then we want to use the script mode. So we can configure our worklogs. Select script mode and press next. Now it's going to ask for the name. So Jira Cloud to ServiceNow worklog demo. There we go. Select the project you want to be synced over and initiate. It's going to generate a key. You want to copy the key and give it to the admin on the other side. And on the other side, just go to connections, but click on accept invitation. Paste the key in here and press next. It's simple as that. You create your first connection. Now you want to go to our documentations. It's very self-explaining. So we'll go to, we scroll down and go to configuration. Here it explains how to generate a Tempo API integration, create a token with it. So, but we're interested in this code block. So we just want to copy this, go to our connections and edit our connection. We want this in the outgoing sync. So here you can see the outgoing sync, and then we're just gonna paste it in here. But now you see we need an access token. We haven't created one yet, so I'll show you how to do it. Just go to your Jira instance, apps, go to Tempo. Now you can see the Tempo home screen. Then go to settings, scroll down till you see API integrations. Click on API integrations. I already had a token, but for this sake I'll create a new one. So create a new token, say demo2, confirm. You want to copy this and store it somewhere safe. So now we just replace the token with the given token and we want to publish. That's it. You don't have to do anything on the Jira side anymore except to create an issue. So create a task or a bug or whatever issue type you will like, and just create a worklog demo issue. Go create this, go to your issue, and to demonstrate, I'll log some time now, just say 30 minutes, log time, and now we want to exhalate. So go to the Exalate panel, click on Exalate, choose your connection and exhalate. Sometimes it can take a while, so just let it process, but after a while you can see it's synchronized, and then you click on this side, so it will redirect you to the issue on your ServiceNow instance. We want this number, your ServiceNow issue number, copy it. Under your Exalate application, you can see connections, entity sync status. So we want the entity sync status. I already opened it in our tab, so paste it in here, search for it. You can see it found it. So just click on show remote replica, and then this is a JSON of every value that's synced over. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the worklogs in here. How I do it is just, you can see it's an array with the square brackets. So how I do it, I copy it, I go to my connection, I edit my connection, and you want to edit the incoming sync. So just create a comment and put your code in there. So you have your JSON in here, so it's very easy to get your data from here to put it in here. So what we want to do is we want to define like a variable. Let's call it time, and we want the program to know it's an integer, so we set it equal to 0. Now we want to iterate over every value in the array, so just create a for loop, and it's for int I equals 0. If I is less than your replica dot worklogs, but we want the size of the array, so we just, well, the length actually, so we do dot size, there we go, and then we do I plus plus, very simple. So, and then in here we want the time plus equals to the replica worklogs dot I, there we go. So this question mark basically says if it's null, just don't do anything with it. So we want the time spent, there we go, paste it in here, and we want to set it to an integer. And because you can see here in the time spent, it's in seconds, and we don't want it in seconds, we want it in minutes, so just divide it by 60. Now we want to set our time in a custom field, because ServiceNow doesn't use tempo, so for this sake I just put it in a custom field, or you can choose any field you want, but for my purpose I'm gonna put it in a custom field. Just go to your custom field. For this sake, let's say I use Jira Mood. If you right click on it, you can see the API name, and we want this, so it recognizes it. So what we do is entity dot the API name, oops, there we go, equals, and then the time. But you get it in an integer, but we want it in a string, so we just do the toString method, and there we go. This should be it. So if I publish this and I update my issue, let's say I log another 60 minutes, log time. So now we have 1 hour and 30 minutes. So if we go to the other side and we just refresh, you can see we worked for 90 minutes. So this is how you sync over the work logs from Jira to ServiceNow. Thank you.